Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every car owner needs to know about: how to prevent rust on your car. Let's keep that ride looking fresh and new for years to come. Stay tuned. Rust can be a car owner's worst nightmare. It starts small but can quickly spread, causing significant damage to your vehicle's body and structure. But don't worry, with a few preventive measures, you can keep rust at bay. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to protect your car from rust. 1. Regular cleaning. First things first, keep your car clean. Regular washing removes dirt, salt, and other contaminants that can lead to rust. Aim to wash your car at least once every 2 weeks, and more frequently in winter or if you live near the coast. Pay special attention to the undercarriage, wheel wells, and any crevices where moisture can accumulate. Pro tip: use a high-pressure hose to clean hard-to-reach areas. And make sure to use car-specific soap rather than household detergents, which can strip away protective wax. 2. Proper drying. After washing, make sure to dry your car thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth to prevent scratches and ensure that no water is left behind. This is crucial because moisture is rust's best friend. Pay special attention to door seals, trunk seams, and other areas where water can get trapped. Pro tip: if possible, use an air blower to dry those hard-to-reach spots quickly and effectively. 3. Waxing and sealing. Next up, waxing. Wax acts as a protective barrier against moisture and contaminants. Aim to wax your car every 3 months. For even better protection, consider using a paint sealant once or twice a year. Both wax and sealant will help protect your car's paint from the elements. Pro tip: apply wax in a shaded area and use small, circular motions for an even coat. Buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth for that showroom shine. O for inspect and repair paint chips. Inspect your car regularly for any paint chips or scratches. These exposed areas are prime spots for rust to form. Use touch-up paint to cover any chips and prevent rust from starting. You can find paint touch-up kits that match your car's color code. Pro tip: clean the area thoroughly before applying touch-up paint and use a small brush for precise application. 5. Rust-proofing products. There are also rust-proofing sprays and treatments available that you can apply to your car's undercarriage and other vulnerable areas. These products create an additional layer of protection against rust. Look for products that are designed for automotive use and follow the application instructions carefully. Pro tip: consider having a professional rust-proofing treatment done if you live in an area with harsh winters or coastal conditions. 6. Storage and parking tips. Where you park your car matters too. If possible, keep your car in a garage or use a car cover to protect it from the elements. Avoid parking on grass or dirt, as moisture from the ground can contribute to rust formation. If you have to park outside, consider using a high-quality car cover. Pro tip: during winter, avoid parking in unheated garages as the fluctuating temperatures can cause condensation and promote rust. 7. Seasonal tips. In the winter, road salt can accelerate rusting. Rinse your car frequently, especially the undercarriage. In coastal areas, salty air can also cause rust, so regular washing is key. Consider using a rust inhibitor before winter sets in or after exposure to salty environments. Pro tip: after driving in snow or near the ocean, rinse your car with fresh water as soon as possible to remove salt residues. 8. Regular inspections. Finally, have your car inspected by a professional at least once a year. They can spot early signs of rust and address them before they become major issues. Professional inspections are especially important if you notice any bubbling paint or discoloration. Pro tip: schedule inspections before winter or after a harsh season to catch any potential problems early. There you have it, folks. With these tips, you can keep your car rust-free and looking great. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Drive safe and stay shiny. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Check out these other videos for more tips on car maintenance and care. Don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest updates.